Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad 5, and in this video I will tell you about the function keys on this laptop. So the function keys are the buttons from F1 to F12 located at the top edge of your keyboard, and they have both primary and secondary functions, and primary functions are mostly universal for most laptop and also PC. The F1 key, for example, usually calls out the help menu. The F5 refreshes the page. The F11, for example, turns on the full screen mode when you're watching videos, and F12 opens developer tools in browsers. But this laptop has its specified functions for the function keys. They're disabled when this escape button is lit up, but to enable them you just have to press F1 button and escape at the same time, and this way you can use the secondary functions of each key. And the secondary functions are, for F1 is muting system sounds, F2 decreasing sound volume, F3 is to increase the sound volume, F4 is to mute microphone, F5 is to decrease the brightness level, F6 is for increasing the brightness level, F7 is to switch the display when your laptop is connected to external monitor or projector. The F8 is to enter airplane mode. The F9 is to open system settings. The F10 is to lock the screen. The F11 is to show the thumbnails of currently of all open apps. And the F12 is to start a calculator. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.